Hello gorgeous, my name is Jen. Thank you so much for being here. In this video, I'm going to show you the brand new pots from Tom Ford. This is in the color Black Sand. It just came out and I'm going to show you the application and also give you an alternative if black is too much for you. This video is in collaboration with Liz. Her channel is Chicago Low Luxury Makeup and I will be leaving her video right below. Before we start, I'm going to show you the products that I got with this purchase. I'm going to start with the lipstick number 23 in Blush Honey. It's a beautiful nude color. And this is the way it looks. In the same purchase, I got this pencil. The name is 03 Metallic Mink. And now, the start of the show, the Black Sand. This is number 13. This pot has a black shadow and a gold topper. The black part has a very moussey consistency. This is very black, but it also looks like it has some golden particles. And I will do a swatch before I put them on my eyes so you can see. And there you go. These are definitely colors that can be worn separate and they look beautiful together as well. I already have a base here and what I'm gonna do is take very little product and apply with my finger. So I have the base, and when you apply it, the first thing I notice is that the little golden particles, I can't see them anymore. So it might be something that you can see that it pops out more when you do the golden powder on the top. And also because it's a very moussey consistency, it might get a little bit dirty in the bottom if you're not careful like I wasn't. But I'm sure it will come out. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna buff it out with my finger still. And then after that I'm gonna go in with a brush. So it's definitely very smoky. With a synthetic brush, I'm gonna make sure that all the edges are blended, leaving on only the bottom part more intense. Now also with the finger, I'm gonna apply this golden tone. Is very sparkly. It's beautiful. This is definitely a kind of makeup to wear at night because it's really smoky, but it's very, very pretty. Now I'm going to finish the other eye and I'll be right back. As you can see, this duo is very easy to use. You can use it with your fingers, you can use it with a brush, and it's not really messy. Now, the only thing that I would be careful with is with the bottom formula, because it's a mousse consistency, it needs to be closed properly, otherwise it will dry out. As you can see, this is for a very intense smoky eye, although the color from the top can be worn by itself and it's gorgeous. But what happens if you're not into these really dark looks, if you want a more everyday look? There is another color from the same line, and this is the peach one. And I'm gonna swatch it for you to show you that with this one you can get more of an everyday look. So this is the bottom. And by itself it looks like this. And now I will show you the topper. It's very beautiful. It's very reflective. And now I will show you how they look together. Oh, it gives out a wet look, which is beautiful for every day. And this one is called Golden Peach. I will be leaving the information in the description box below if you're interested in seeing more of the ingredients, and also more. I believe there's 1 or 2 more colors available, so you can go to the description box and see everything from the current collection and also from the other pots that they offer. Also, if you would like to see more of this content, please subscribe because I upload every week. And if you don't want to miss any more of my videos, I suggest that you hit the notification bell. And to see how Liz will apply her Tom Ford pot, make sure to see her video, and that will also be linked on the description box. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. She makeup. I'm going to leave her video down below so you can go and check her out and see how she applies the same products and her techniques. Techniques. As I showed you before, pot from Tom Ford. Obviously it's from Tom Ford.